Hi folks, Andy here for Virtual Photo Club. So for today's video I'm just getting ready to head out to Deecon 2018, which is essentially almost like it is a Comic-Con type event. Lots of people dressed up in various outfits as cosplay. Other people just there to shop and see the stalls and see the professional photographer on site as well. So I'm just getting my camera ready here, get my video set up, sorted out as well. We're going to give that a try. Not tried doing video outdoors yet, so we're going to see how that works out. So just packing up, it's going to be a bit of a flying visit today when I get there. I'm only going to have about an hour or so, so I'll get what photos I can. Now there is one golden rule for photographers going to these cosplay type events, and that's quite simply don't take anybody's photo unless you've asked first off. Now obviously if there's something going on, if there's a big group event and everyone's dancing or whatever it happens to be, that's a bit different. But if you're just taking a photo of an individual person, they're all dressed up in their full get up, they've put a lot of effort into that outfit and they want it to be able to look good as well. So rather than just a sneaky shot when you don't think anybody's paying attention, it's very, very much frowned upon. So for the vast majority of guys, these people have, like I say, put a lot of effort into the outfits that they have. A lot of them have made them from scratch as well. And a lot of them are very crafty in sort of constructing the foam and the makeup and all the accessories and weapons and things that go with it. They want to make sure that their photos look good, so for the vast majority they'll be very willing and very happy to have their photo taken. All you need to do is ask. Quite often they'll have a character specific pose or something similar that they're going to want to do for you as well, and it just makes for a better photo than a sneaky shot with surrounded by crowds and so on. Being such a short visit today, it's a good introduction to these type of events if you're not used to them at all. I myself have only been to one before, and that was Deecon, which is my local one. I went to that last year, had a great time, met some great contacts that I still keep in touch with today, and that I've arranged some photo shoots with off the back of meeting them from there as well. So it's been really good. So quick introduction today, like I say, flying visit, give you a quick overview of what to expect. And hopefully if you are going to go to one of these events yourself, you're a little bit more prepared. So let's get going. Just before we get going, remember, hit the subscribe button down below the video here, and you can also head over to Patreon if you want to help support these videos and allow me to continue to produce them for you if you find a benefit from them. Now that's done, time to get going. Okay folks, so here I am, we've just arrived at Deecon. As you can see behind me, it's really quite busy at the moment. It's probably quite noisy for you as well. It's really quite difficult doing this because I've got nobody here to help me, so I'm just filming myself. Now we're just going to chat to a few people. I'm just going to ask them to take the photos as we go around. This is the outside obviously, we're going to do a bit of inside as well. I've got my wristband here. So let's see who we can see.
Okay, we're from Cobra Kai, Karate Kid.
In those professional photos you get done then, what kind of stuff are you looking for? Is it just the photos? Is it something basic? Are you looking for a bit of extra effect?
Yeah, we want background and different things, yeah.
Like props and Stargate and Babylon 5 backgrounds.
Yeah,
and children.
and dragons and children, yes.
what brought you to Deecon?
I've been here 2 years before, and I heard about it somewhere a few years ago, so I just keep coming.
About 3 years ago, one of my friends got me going to MCM Scotland, and then those friends that I met at MCM Scotland were coming to Deecon the next game year, so why not tag along?
How much effort have you put into your cosplay for it? Roughly how long has that taken you to put together?
Well, I bought this, and I attached a ribbon and a feather, and then this is a cane that I painted, and I did these on with 4 pieces. It's the first thing I've ever made. So, not long for that one.
This, on the other hand, I started making the boots maybe the start of the year. So, and literally rushed off last night to finish that.
Fair enough.
So, yeah.
Short, yeah. Take it right to the...
Although that's in the process of working and making other cosplays at the same time.
That's fair enough, yeah.